Good afternoon. It's July the 7th, 2014, and it's our first day of the week to wrap up this morning's trades recommendations that were made in the E-mini at 7 o'clock Central this morning. Very low volatility day, not much trading range to work with. Typical summer trading volumes were well off. So it's going to be like this probably until after Labor Day. We'll have some days where you just wonder why you traded at all. Okay, we started off this morning wanting to sell 74s to 76s. And 78s to 80s, and our first buy was 65, 67, and we make it to 67 and a quarter very late in the session. So our first trade sets up here. The high is 75. Off of our setup, you're short when you break this bar's low or this little tiny bar's low where we have an S. So you're short at 73.50. They're very close to our 74, 75. Or you could have been short at 74. The move eventually stops at 67.75, but this first low down here was 60, basically at 69. So you're short at 73.50, and the stop is at 69. You got a shot at 3 to 4.5 points. If you'd hung around to this trade down here, 67.75, you'd have had a shot at 5 points. It took a long time for this trade to develop, for it to get down there. Pretty typical summer trading. So the first trade you made 3 to 5 points. Our next setup that we get, where we're still getting lower lows, as you can see through here. So this higher low right here is the first time we get our setup for a long trade on our retest failure. This little teeny tiny skinny bar that you can barely see there sets up the trade. When you take out that bar's high, you're long at 68.75, and the market trades up to 72, which means you could have just made your 3 points on that particular trade. So not the world's biggest trading day for us. Not a lot to work with. Very quiet summer trading. We're going to see a lot of days like this between now and Labor Day. So on the low side, you would have made 5 or 6 points, so for 250. On the high side, if you've been perfect on the trades you've taken, you would have made 8 points or $400. So if you'd like more information on CN Futures trading, please visit our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At this site, you'll get an overview of our software, our educational packages, and our trading methodology. In addition to this, we offer you 5 free days in our trading rooms where you get to see how we make our adjustments live in real time. And at least once an hour, we're going to come back in and tell you where we want to be buyers and sellers and our sellers, and adjust our entry points to help us stay on top of the market. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com, or you may call us directly at 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the room for your 5-day free trial offer, and until we see you in the room, I want to wish you good trading.